Hello, Miss. Good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wijaya Stuti and my friends is Rehan Ivan Setiaji, Muhammad Farhan, Muhammad Amri, and Muhammad Reza Asari. We are from Group 1 entitled Loss of Biodiversity. The first reading will be read by Rehan Ivan Setiaji.
Definition of diversity and its importance. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms on Earth, including plants, animals, microorganisms, and ecosystems. It encompasses genetic diversity refers to the genetic variation that exists within population or species. This variation can occur due to the difference in alleles among individuals in the population or due to difference in the sequence of nucleotides in DNA. Genetic diversity is important because it provides resources for the adaptation, resilience, and survival of species in the face of environmental change and the pressures of natural selection. Species diversity refers to the number and variety of species that exist in a particular ecosystem or habitat. It includes various types of living things such as plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. Ecosystem diversity refers to the variety of ecosystem types, biological communities, and interaction between living organisms and their environment. It includes various types of ecosystems such as forests, grasslands, coral reefs, and swamps, along with the species that inhabit each ecosystem. Biodiversity is crucial for ecosystem stability, resilience, and functioning. It provides ecosystem services like clean air and weather, population and climate regulation, and also supports human well-being, cultural values, and economic activities. Essentially, it's the foundation of life. Introduced to the concept of biodiversity loss and its significance. Biodiversity loss refers to the decline in the variety and abundance of species within a given ecosystem. It's significant because biodiversity is crucial for ecosystem stability, resilience, and functionality. Loss of biodiversity can lead to disruption in food chains, reduced ecosystem services like pollination and water purification, and decreased genetic diversity, which is essential for adaptation to environmental change. Ultimately, it affects human well-being, including food security, health, economic stability.
The major causes of biodiversity loss include 1. Habitat destruction, the conversion of natural habitat for agriculture, urbanization, urbanization, infrastructure development, and logging destroy ecosystem and displace species. 2. Climate change. Alternation in temperature, precipitation patterns, and extreme weather even disrupt ecosystem, causing habitat loss, slowing species distribution, and increasing extinction risks. 3. Pollution from various sources. Pollution from various sources, including industrial activities, agriculture, and disposal, waste disposal, contaminates ecosystem, harms species, and disrupt ecological process. Land use change. Conversion of land for agriculture, urbanization, and infrastructure development fragment habitat, isolates population, and reduce available space for wildlife. 5. Overexploitation, unsustainable harvesting of resources, such as overfishing, illegal wildlife trade, and excessive logging depletes population and disrupt logical balance. 6. Invasive species. Introduction of non-native species into new habitat can outcompete native species, spread disease, and disrupt ecosystem dynamic, leading to biodiversity loss.
Profit example of ecosystem under threat. Several ecosystems around the world are under threat of biodiversity loss due to various human activities. Here are some examples. 1. Tropical rainforest. The biodiversity ecosystem are threatened by deforestation for agriculture, logging, and urbanization. The Amazon rainforest, for example, face significant habitat loss due to clearing for writing and cultivation. 2. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are healing diverse marine ecosystems that are under threat from elimination can include coral bleaching, overfishing, pollution, and coastal development. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia, the largest coral reef system in the world, has experienced with the speed breaking event due to rising sea temperature. 3. Grasslands. Grasslands are threatened by conversion to agriculture, land urban sprawl, and overgrazing by livestock. The Eurasia steppe and the America French are examples of grassland ecosystem facing biodiversity loss. 4. Freshwater ecosystem. River, lakes, and wetlands are under threat for pollution, dam construction, habitat destruction, and overexploitation of water resources. The Everglades in Florida and the Mekong River basins in Southeast Asia are examples of freshwater ecosystem at risk. 5. Polar region. Arctic and Antarctic ecosystems are vulnerable to climate change induced wetting of sea ice, which affects the habitat of polar bears, penguins, seals, and outer space. Oil and gas exploration also pose threat to this fragile ecosystem. 6. Island ecosystem. Islands are often home to unique and endemic species that are particularly vulnerable to habitat destruction, invasive species, and climate change. The Galapagos Islands, famous for their unique biodiversity, face threat from invasive species introduced by human activities. Impact of biodiversity loss. Biodiversity loss has far-reaching consequences affecting ecosystem, economics, and human well-being. It can lead to decreased ecosystem resilience, making it harder for ecosystem to adapt to environmental change. Loss of biodiversity also disrupt ecosystem services like pollination, soil fertility, and water purification, which are crucial for human survival. Additionally, it can trigger cascading effects on food security, increase the spread of pests and diseases, and diminish opportunities for scientific and medical discoveries. Ultimately, biodiversity loss threatens the stability and sustainability of life on Earth.
Okay, next, consequences for human well-being. The loss of biodiversity can have profound consequences for human well-being. Number one, ecosystem service. Biodiverse ecosystem provide essential services such as clean and air and water, soil fertility, pollination of crop, and regulation of climate. The decline in biodiversity can disrupt the service, leading to reduced agricultural productivity, increased vulnerability to natural disasters, and diminished access to clean air and water. Number two, food security. Many of the world's food crops depend on pollination by insects and other animals. Declines in pollinator population due to biodiversity loss can threaten food security by reducing crop yield and diversity, potentially leading to higher food prices and food shortages. Number 3, health impacts. Biodiversity loss can increase the spread of infectious diseases as diverse ecosystems often as buffer against disease outbreaks. Number 4, economic impacts. Biodiversity loss can have significant economic consequences, including loss of revenue from ecotourism, decreased resilience to climate change impacts such as flooding and drought, and increased healthcare costs due to environmental degradation and loss of ecosystem services. Number 5, cultural and spiritual values. Biodiversity loss can erode cultural, traditional, and spiritual connection to the natural world, impacting the well-being of communities that depend on local ecosystem for their identity, livelihoods, and cultural practices. Overall, the loss of biodiversity threatens human well-being across multiple dimensions, highlighting the urgent need for conservation effort to protect and restore a diverse ecosystem. Next, signs of biodiversity loss. Signs of biodiversity loss include number 1, species extinction. The most obvious sign of biodiversity loss is the extinction of species. When species disappear from an ecosystem, it disrupts the balance of the ecosystem and can have cascading effect on other species. Number 2, decline in population size. Many species experience decline in population size before they become extinct. Monitoring changes in population size can provide early warning signs of biodiversity loss.
Next 3. Extinction event increased rates of species extinction across various taxonomic groups, indicating a loss of biodiversity over time. 4. Description of ecosystem function change in the functioning of ecosystem due to the loss of species such as reduced pollination, nutrient cleaning, and pest control service. Next 5. Imbalance in food webs. Description of trophic interaction among species leading to imbalance in predator-prey relationship and ecosystem stability.
Okay, next number 6, delay in genetic diversity. Regression in the genetic variability within population, making species more sustainable to diseases, environmental stresses, and changing conditions. Next, number 7, loss of ecosystem service. Reduction in the benefit provided by ecosystem to humans, such as clean air and water, fertile soils, climate regulation, and culture and recreational values. Next, solution, biodiversity loss. Addressing biodiversity loss requires a multifaceted approach involving conservation, sustainable management of natural resources, and global cooperation. Here are some key solutions. Number 1, protected areas. Establishing and effectively managing protected areas such as national park, nature reserves, and marine protected areas to safeguard habitats and species from further degradation and exploitation. Number 2, habitat restoration. Restoring degraded habitats through reforestation, wetland restoration, and other ecosystem restoration effort to increase habitat quality and connectivity for species. Number 3, sustainable land use. Promoting sustainable land use practices such as agroforestry, organic farming, and sustainable reforestry to minimize habitat destruction and conserve biodiversity while meeting human needs for food, fiber, and fuel. Number 4, reducing overexploitation. Implementing regulation and incentive to reduce overexploitation of natural resources such as sustainable fishing quotas, bans on illegal wildlife trade, and sustainable logging practices. Number 5, addressing climate change. Mitigating climate change and its impact on biodiversity by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, processing carbon-rich ecosystems like forests and wetlands, and promoting climate resilient conservation strategies. Number 6, community engagement. Involving local communities in conservation efforts and recognizing their traditional knowledge and practice and can enhance the effectiveness and sustainable of biodiversity conservation initiatives. Number 7, international cooperation. Enhancing international cooperation and collaboration through agreements such as the Convention on Biological Diversity and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals to coordinate efforts to conserve biodiversity across borders. Number 8, education and awareness. Raising public awareness about the importance of biodiversity conservation and the threat facing ecosystem and species, as well as promoting environmentally responsible behavior and consumer choices. By implementing these solutions at local, national, and global levels, we can work to reward hunting and preserving biodiversity loss, ensuring the long-term health and resilience of ecosystem and the well-being of future generations. Next, conclusion. Addressing biodiversity loss is an urgent imperative for the health of our earth and all the habitats. The continued degradation of ecosystem and loss of species that threaten not only the balance of nature but also the well-being and livelihoods of current and future generations. Without immediate action to mitigate the drive of biodiversity loss and promote conservation efforts, we risk irreversible damage to all environment and the collapse of vital ecosystem service. It is essential for individuals, communities, government, and organizations to work together to preserve biodiversity and ensure a sustainable future of all of in Earth. Thank you, Miss.